Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make text behind part of picture in Photoshop. So get let's start it. At first, open your Photoshop. Now you can see text part of picture in Photoshop. Now going to the file menu option. Then click. Now click from open option. Now find your picture. Now find your picture. Now select from picture. Now select picture. Now click for open option. Now you can see then I show open picture and keyboard press Ctrl A and move the picture. Now this is your picture. Now you can see. Now this is a picture and behind the text in picture. Now going to the toolbar option. Now select from text tool. Now select from. Now type a text. Now you can see. Then we show the text in. Now we behind the text in part of picture. Now we going to the layer option. Now select from text layer. Now up and down and the layer. Then we can see, then select from Ctrl T and rotate the picture text. That it's. Now you can see behind part of picture in text Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share.